The best video compress software is HandBrake. It is a free open source software, so I'm going to show you how to compress video from this software in this video. First of all, go to Google's google.com, search the softwares from Google's. Go to Google and type HandBrake, HandBrake, and press enter, and then click this post link, handbrake.fr. You can see the logo of this software here, and then click download HandBrake 1.6.1. I already downloaded this software, so I'll show you. That's my download folder. You can see all my downloaded file. Yes, it's my HandBrake 1.6.1 software. Double click on it and run this software in your computer. After run, you can see this kind of logo in the desktops. When you click here at the first time, it needs next Windows desktop runtime software. If you don't have this software, it automatically detect and accept for the process and install it, and then open your HandBrake. And I want to open now this HandBrake software. Choose the file or folder. I want to open my file, so I click here. I want to compress Lenovo screen replacement. I will show the size of. Right click here and go to properties. This my video size is 2.17 GB. So after compress, the size, I think it may be smaller than 1 GB, or I show you the result. So I click here this file and open. Here is the setting to compress for compressing. In summary, the format. In summary menu, you see the format, track, filter, size, etc. Format, I choose MP4. Then click the web optimize. These options, and then keep a default header, and you go to this video option, the 25, and then the important is the quality. The meaning of this number, you can see the suggestion value 18 to 20 for the standard definition source, and 20 to 23 is a high definition source. It means if you increase this number, your video size will be increased, and if you keep this number decrease, or the 18, 20, your file size will be decrease. By default number is a 22 to make a standard video, so I want to keep it 20. Yes, 20. And then you can choose the destinations from here. I want to save it in my desktop screen, so desktop, and then click the file name, Lenovo screen replacement COM, where this is compress, and save it. After setting all the settings, go to this start and push button and click here, and then process has been started. You can see the preparing, encoding one part, you see here, and the process of the compression, it depends on your computer architectures. If you have a good microprocessor or the processor or RAMs, the process will be complete immediately. If you not have that kind of architectures, it take a little long time. So after complete, I show you my video's compression size. Now the process is running. Now you can see here in this area. Yes, the compression process has been finished. You can see here you finished. Then I want to show you the compression file of this my video. This is my compression file. I show you properties. Yes, the file, it's just 1.68 GB. The original file was 2.17 GB. I show this original file property. This file is 2.17 GB. After compress, this file made this size 1.68 GB. So in this way we can compress our file. We can change the file format too from these programs, or we can decrease or we can reduce the size of our video. I hope this video will help you to compress this file.